Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix microphone not working on Windows 11, 10, 8, 7. First step is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Microphone, turn on microphone access, also turn on Let apps access your microphone. Turn on all apps to access microphone. Allows turn on Let desktop apps access your microphone. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Select Playback tab, check Show Disabled Devices and allows check Show Disconnected Devices. Select Audio Device, click Set Default, click Properties, click Levels tab, change to Maximum. Select Microphone Device, click Set Default, click Properties, click Levels tab, change to Maximum. Third step is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. First run Playing Audio Troubleshooting. Second run Recording Audio. Third run Video Playback. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.